Hello there, my name is Andrew Druckman and I'd like to welcome you to the channel because after all, the reason why you clicked that link is because you want to learn the best ways to get clients for a lawn care business. Well, guess what? You just came to the right place because that's exactly what we are going to be talking about today. Now, if you haven't done so already yet, consider subscribing to Traffic Magic because that is what we do. We talk about different tips and strategies to help you get more people to the front door of your business every single day. Because after all, if you have nobody at the front door of your business, you have no business because that is the bloodline to your business. And also something to keep in mind, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video so this way you can get more of an in-depth training on how to get more people to the front door of your business every single day. Now, without further ado, let's get into the action. But first, let me ask you a quick question. If you run a lawn care business and you could wake up tomorrow with more phone calls, more messages, and more people asking for your services, well, wouldn't you want to know how that works? Because most lawn care businesses don't have a service problem. So what is it they have? They have a traffic problem. Today, I'm going to walk you through the best free ways to get clients for your lawn care business, step by step. And the very first free method I'm going to share with you is Google Business Profile. Now, the first free way to get lawn care clients is by using Google, but more specifically, your Google Business Profile. See, here's the thing about this. Every single day, people are typically typing in things like, for example, lawn care near me, grass cutting service in my area, or lawn maintenance in my city. These people are not browsing, they are ready to hire. So if your business shows up there, Google is literally sending you free buyer traffic. So what do you want to do? You want to make sure that your profile is completely filled out. And what you want to make sure you add in there, you want to make sure you add in there real photos of your work, add your service area, add your phone number, and most importantly, collect reviews. Because after all, the more active your profile is, the more Google pushes your business in front of local homeowners. Now, the second free method I'm going to share with you today is before and after social media content. See, here's the thing about this. The second free way to get lawn care clients is social media, but not the way most people are doing it. Because see, the thing about it is that one of the things that people do is they just post lawn pictures and it doesn't work. So what actually works is posting before and after content. See, people love transformation. When you show an overgrown lawn turning into something clean and professional, it instantly builds trust. You don't need fancy editing, you don't need to dance, and you definitely don't need to go viral. You just need to pull out your phone, your smartphone, record a before clip, then record an after clip, then post it. At the end of every post, tell people exactly what you want them to do next. So you probably might want to say something like, if you want your lawn to look like this, send me a message, DM me. Now, speaking of DMs, the third free method, what we're going to talk about is local Facebook groups. The third free way to get clients for your lawn care business is local Facebook groups. Every city and neighborhood has them, and inside those groups are homeowners consistently asking for recommendations. Instead of spamming your services, you want to become visible. Comment and post, answer questions, and of course you want to help people. So here's the thing about this. See, when someone asks, does anyone know a good lawn care company? Well, you want your name to already be familiar with them because this builds trust before they even message you. Now, the fourth free way, as far as what I'm going to give you today, is simple referral strategy. See, the fourth free way to get more clients is referrals, but with structure. Most people say, if you know anyone, let me know. But see, that's not enough. See, instead, you want to make sure you are more specific. See, this is what you want to say. See, you want to say, if you refer a neighbor on your street, I'll take $10 off the next cut. Now, giving them a reason and a clear action, one happy client can turn into 3, then 4, or even 5 more clients without even spending $1. And when referrals are combined with traffic, now that's when businesses really scale. Now, the 5th free method of what I'm going to share with you today is consistency. Now, the 5th free method isn't a platform. It's just simply consistency. Most lawn care businesses try something once and quit. They post one video. They make one Google update. They comment one time. See, traffic doesn't work like that. See, the businesses that actually do wins are the ones that are constantly showing up consistently. And once you understand how traffic works, clients stop being random, you stop guessing, you stop hoping, and then what happens? You start knowing. Now, that's going to be the end of this video for today. So if you felt like you got some value out of this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below. And of course, remember, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this description at the end of this video. So this way you can get more of an in-depth training on how to get more people to the front door of your business every single day. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.